Hi, in this video, you are going to learn how to import or how to bring your file or media on DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. So first of all, you need to open your software. Then make sure that it's a cart. You can see it's a cart and tap here the media file. Then you can see here the icon. So simply click here. Once you click here, then you'll get here all the files available. So I'm just going to choose this file and tap the open button and change project frame rate. So the selected clips have a different frame rate to the project. Would you like to change your timeline frame? So if you don't change, then click here, don't change. So it takes few moments to import on your timeline. So this way you can import your file on DaVinci Resolve Studio 19.